Hey, what's up guys? Driving for Dollars 101, right? So one of my students asked me this question. I said, Lex, do you go out and do this every day? Absolutely not. I do not do this. There's a lot more aggressive ways of finding way more leads that's less time consuming. I do these videos to show people that are beginners, that are absolutely new, who don't have the budget to spend tons of money, how to get started, ways to get started like this, all right? So in this case, I'm driving around the corner. I just did another video on a driving for $1 house with a deal machine app, and literally that house is there on that corner. Let me see if I can show it to you so you can see it. It's right over there. And then just around the corner is another vacant house. So these deals are everywhere. These opportunities are everywhere, and you just need to go out and get them, right? So when you're driving around your target market, you see a vacant boarded up house, find the owner, send them a letter, send them a postcard, call them, email them, text them, and try and make an offer to buy that house. All right guys, hope that helps.